Actually plays his club basketball in Spain with Fuenlabrada. Prepelic into the lane, and there he is again. Gasper Vidmar taking off down the runway. Chanchar back to Prepelic. Prepelic trying to get away from his opposite number. Contact on the way through as he gets the finger roll to fall. Moved on by Vicedo. Fizzed back by Oliver. Through a gap, he goes, denied by Vidmar. Still going to be Spain possession. Really fighting for each and every ball. On each and every possession, Gasper Vidmar. Great find as well from Colom as Vidmar tries to wrestle his way through and puts it in with some contact. Vidmar's certainly come to play today. He's been bullish ever since the opening. Prepelic quickly down the floor, takes the quick three from way beyond the setting sun, gets it to fall. Vasquez back in the game, was looking to roll to the rim, comes back out to set the screen, rolls inside this time, and he's denied the alley-oop. Flying block. Emphatic rejection of the final buzzer. Rebic going behind the back and under the rim. To the far side, Chanchar puts it up from the corner, contested and gets it to drop.